Today, we will check how to build apps with AI using Base44 without coding. First, open the web browser you normally use for searching, and in the search bar, type Base44. Once you see the search results, click on the first website link to open it. And there you go. You are now on the website homepage, where you can see a prompt box that helps you build an app. From the top right corner, tap on the Start Building button. You will be asked to log in if you already have an account or sign up to get started. Once the account is created, you will land on the dashboard. From the top menu, you will find the App Templates option, so click on it to open the already created templates and categories. Find a category that matches your needs and scroll down the page to find a suitable template. There are many templates available, but for this demonstration, I am going to customize a crypto app. Click on View Details. A new page will pop up on the screen. Here, tap on the View App button to preview the app before starting. In this new tab, you can see the app template design. On the left side vertical menu, you will see a list of pages. If you like this template, you can proceed with customization. Now, go back to Base44 and click on the Use Template button. Base44 will start cloning the app, which may take a few moments to prepare all the pages. Base44 is a fast and optimized platform that delivers results quickly. And there you go. You are now on the app homepage. You can see that page sections are already added, and now we will make some changes according to our needs. From the bottom left side, click inside the text box. Here, enter a prompt to give a command for the action you want to perform. For example, if you want to add a global market page with new trends, type a simple prompt and press Enter. Base44 will start processing the request and extracting data. It will also clone the app's color palette to maintain branding and add features that provide updated information. Once the page is added, from the top right corner, click on the Publish button, and then tap on Publish App to save the changes. From the bottom menu, you will see the Market Trends page name. Click on it to open the page. Here, you can see different sections displaying various market trends which you can customize according to your needs. Now, suppose you want to add this page overview to the app homepage. So again, from the bottom left corner, type a prompt explaining to the AI which global page section or statistics you want to add to the homepage. This prompt is written only for demonstration purposes. Within a few moments, Base44 AI will add this section to your app homepage. As you can see, the global market trend section has now been successfully added. In this way, you can add anything based on your requirements. From the top of the page, tap on Dashboard. Here you will find the Share App option. You can also control your app visibility from this section. You can also see the number of users along with their names, roles, and email addresses. In the Analytics page, you will see the top pages used by visitors and how much time they spend on them. You can also find your active domains. In my case, I have only one active domain. In the Integration section, you need to select a plan to get access to third-party app integrations. In the Security page, you will see any app issues or unusual activity that may affect your app. You can also schedule tasks and check APIs and settings related to app security and templates. From the top right corner, tap on the Upgrade button to open the Base44 subscription page. Select a plan that fits your needs to access advanced options, and check the FAQ section to view answers related to subscription plans. And that's it. This is a simple and short overview of Base44 showing how you can build apps using AI without coding. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.